Hey everybody, this is Dean and welcome to Dino's Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to use a program called Snip Sketch, which is a screen capture program. It comes free with Windows if you have at least version 10 and you've updated version 10 since 2018. It should be on your computer. If you don't have it on your computer for some reason, you can download it for free from the Microsoft Store. So let's see if we can find it here. We're going to go down to Start and we're going to type Snip. And it should bring up Snip Sketch. With that, we right-click on the icon. I'm going to pin this to the taskbar right here to make it easier to find. You can also bring up Snip Sketch by hitting Shift Windows S. And so let's bring it up right now. The icon's right down here. And there's another way to bring it up. If we go over here to Settings, and you click on this link right here that says use print screen button, and we go yes here, you can actually scroll down to where it says use print screen button to open the screen snipping tool. And if it's off right now, if we turn it on, that will activate print screen, so then you don't have to remember Windows Shift S. You can just hit the print screen button in that case. So that's another nice feature that you can use. All right, so this is the main program here, and if we click New, right here, it will bring up these icons up here. So we have some choices. We can do a rectangular snip, a freeform snip, we can snip a window, or we can snip the full screen. Now, if we snip the full screen to start with, I have 3 screens, so it's brought up all 3 screens right here. But if I only want, say, one of the screens, I can actually go up here to crop and move it over to the screen that I want. I could do 2 screens if I wanted. I'm going to do just 1 screen right here. We hit the check mark. Actually, let's move this over a little bit. Hit the check mark, and then it's captured this full screen here. So if we go again to New, if we select the window button, then we just have to click on the window that we want. In this case, we already have a window up. If we just click on it, it gives us this window. Another thing we can do is use this Freeform Snip right here, and if we select this, we can actually cut out any shape that we want. So we don't have to just cut out a square. We can do a freeform shape. So for example, I can go around this pumpkin here, which just has a black background, and kind of make it pumpkin shaped a little bit. Or I can do any irregular shape that I want to use. If we hit New one more time, if we want to capture a region, we click on this icon here, and so we can actually select part of the screen, whatever that is that we want. We can crop it once again if we want to. The other thing that we can do on this is we can use these pens to highlight things. So I can go up here and I can select this pen. I can select whatever color I want. Then I can draw on the picture right here if I want to show something, or I can draw an arrow. If I go here to eraser, I can just erase those marks as well if I don't want them, or I can hit the undo up here to take something off as well. So that's a nice feature. If you want to point something out in a photograph, you can actually draw on it. There's also a highlighter here and a pencil. So you have a pen, a pencil, and a highlighter up here. You can save the image and into a file and do whatever you like with it. You can copy it to a buffer using this, and then if we go into Word, we can actually right-click and paste it, and so we have the photograph into a Word document, or you can paste it into a Paint program, whatever you want to paste it into. You can go up here to share, and it will give you a choice of sharing it to a program. Like you can share it to OneNote, you can share it to email and mail it to someone if you want. So that's how you use Snip Sketch to do a screen capture in Windows. I'm Dean, and this has been Dino's Tech World, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.